Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX in 1 month. First, let's set up your study plan. A structured 30-day schedule is crucial for covering all necessary content efficiently. Begin by taking a diagnostic test to pinpoint your areas needing the most attention. Then, dedicate specific time slots each day for both comprehensive content review and extensive practice questions. This balanced approach ensures you build a strong foundation and improve your test-taking skills. Next, let's talk about effective content review. Concentrate on high-yield topics frequently tested on the NCLEX, such as pharmacology, delegation, and prioritization. Utilize reputable review books and online platforms to ensure accuracy and depth. As you study, actively summarize key concepts and rationales in your own words. This active recall method significantly enhances retention and understanding, making your study time more productive. Now, let's dive into mastering practice questions. Aim to complete hundreds of questions daily, simulating the actual exam environment. Don't just answer them. Meticulously analyze every single question, whether you got it right or wrong. Understanding the rationale behind each answer is paramount. This deep analysis helps you identify patterns, improve critical thinking, and learn from your mistakes, which is vital for exam success. Finally, let's discuss your last-minute preparation and mindset. In the final week, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to build stamina. Crucially, prioritize self-care. Ensure you get adequate sleep, maintain good nutrition, and take short breaks. Approaching the exam with a positive and confident mindset is just as important as your knowledge. Trust in your preparation and believe in your ability to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.